Nick, thanks for joining us. So Tenable launched the CyberAgents Exchange. What exactly is the exchange so people can understand it? And more importantly, what is the impact going to be for practitioners?
Yeah, so the exchange is Tenable's first foray into this open source vendor agnostic ecosystem that we're creating for security practitioners. And we are super excited about it because it is the first of its kind. It is solely for security practitioners to come together, build agentic AI in particular, whether that's skills, MCP servers. One of the things that we're finding out in the industry is pretty much every team is using and starting to build and test agentic AI capabilities, but they're doing so in isolation, right? They're not sharing with other teams. And when it comes to the security industry and the community around it, it's very much a team sport, right? You have teams that are in practices that are already starting to really adopt that type of mentality, right? We have threat information sharing. We have practices for sharing MITRE attack matrices and detection models. But when it comes to agentic AI, there isn't an easy way for teams to do that. And so that's what we're launching today, hoping to really bring the community together and start to enable these capabilities for every team.
Yeah, it really is cool. And at Black Hat, you guys have the Swarm event where you're actually inviting anyone and everyone to participate, to develop. Was the decision behind that to really convey how open source and how community driven it was, and also to have some great agents, MCP servers, and skills in the exchange?
When I think about the Swarm event, it was really a microcosm of what we want the exchange to be. Bringing all security practitioners together to collaborate, to come up with new ideas and put them into practice. I think that's what we delivered with Swarm. We had great registration, some really cool ideas. Most importantly, I think there's a number of contributions that really are going to add value for a number of security teams. One of the things that I took away from Swarm is not only is it people coming together and building these super robots to replace analysts, right? That's actually not what they're coming here to do. What they came and built was solving specific pain points, specific areas that they found a particular challenge, and they are solving it through agentic AI.
Why did Tenable decide to make this open source?
We really wanted to make CyberAgents Exchange fully open source so that any practitioner can think through all of the different tools that they are using and find ways to improve their own workflows and their own day-to-day efforts.
So these agents, anyone can go out and download and start using right away. How can people know that these agents and these skills are secure when they deploy them?
It's really because everything's fully transparent. We are unlocking trust by basically being this overall repository that links a directory that links directly to the GitHub repos, right? So every line of code you can inspect and see. More than that, every contribution is fully open source, meaning that people are able to adapt it to their own needs. More importantly, through this exchange, we're developing processes for further peer reviews and further validation through further tiers of trust.
What's the killer app or killer workflow that people can take advantage of day one out of the gate with this?
One is actually by our own Tenable security team. It's called SOC Hunter, and it's already been incredible in terms of the value it's added to our own security team. Actually, our chief security officer had his first aha moment because of this agent called SOC Hunter. And essentially, it's a proactive threat hunting tool. They've used it for 4 or 5 months at this point, maybe a little bit longer. They've already identified a number of different threats that they hadn't seen before. It's helped automate a lot of the ongoing investigations. The second one is the first customer contribution. It's a phishing analyzer that essentially is a agentic playbook that helps take their organization through the step-by-step process of analyzing specific phishing emails and determining if they're actually phishing. Mm-hmm. And essentially, this fully manual process that took a lot of time to run through and a pretty mundane process for its team. Through this playbook, they eliminated pretty much all the manual work and kept the same false positive rate extremely low. All in doing so, essentially saved over 580 hours of time over the course of a year. And so basically they're saving about same cost of a security analyst just by doing this running this one playbook.
A lot of people might think that the exchange is something that's, it's open source and it's vendor agnostic, but Tenable's kind of driving it. I noticed when I looked at it, there are some industry partners who have joined the mission. What's this coalition like, and what kind of other partners are participating?
Yeah, so thank you for bringing that up. Yes, we have SentinelOne and Recorded Future joining us as partners in this for the CyberAgents Exchange, and we expect to add more over time. Everyone that we've talked to about the exchange is excited about how they can help. And so when we think about the security community and the security industry, it's not just the practitioners, it's also the vendors in it and how they can help as well.
Obviously, we've talked about the value and impact to cyber programs, and executives can certainly see the value right away. But for the SOC analyst listening, or the engineer, what does their day-to-day look like, and how is it positively impacted from the exchange?
To answer your question, it's turning everyone into builders. It's a real mindset shift for a lot of different teams, and a positive one.
Yeah.
I mentioned earlier about how one of our analysts has talked about the work that he's done building different agentic capabilities as the best month of his entire career.
Yeah.
In addition to that, it's changing everyone else's job, right? And so instead of running the same workflow, the same step-by-step process that an analyst or someone else in the security team has to do, they're starting to think, okay, how can I automate this? How can I start to innovate? How can I actually improve the job that I have to do? And so it's giving a sense of autonomy and enabling teams to build and create, which is a whole new mindset for security teams.
So whether it's a CISO, a SOC analyst, an engineer, a one-person team, how do they get started? Like where do they go to get started and get involved with Exchange?
Check it out. It's exchange.tenable.com. Come right today. Check it out.
Nick, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.